I'm going to install a hand sanitizer machine in my grandpa's bathroom. This is where we're going to place it.
Okay, the markers to line it up. All right, very good.
This is where we're going to put the screws
Into the wall.
into the wall.
And we're going to mark it
And we're going to mark it with,
so we'll know where to put them.
so we know where to put
Okay,
them.
mark it.
My grandpa made this starter hole.
Okay. Okay. Now you're gonna drill those in. Just a little bit, just like you're doing. Okay.
This is where we're going to place it.
Okay, the markers to line it up. All right, very good.
The next step is to put the soap or hand sanitizer into the machine.
Okay, close it. Put your hand under it. Okay,
That was a lot of soap.
because it's backed up. So now you're done.
Yeah!
And this time it's not gonna fall off the shelf because that adhesive just was not strong enough. I made a big mistake. I forgot to put this girl's safety glasses on.
I'm a scientist now.
So from now on, you're gonna have to help me to remember that we have to put on the safety glasses before you use any of this equipment.
Or doing any experiments and blow something up.
You got that right. All right.